finally, I have reached here by riding 200 kilometers from the place I live till this grass area. I think this grass looks amazing. So yeah, this grass is amazing. By traveling there, I'm so tired now, but I had to do one work. But before I do that work, but before first work I have to do is let's start. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you have a great day. Welcome back, guys, to another Disney Steve presentation. Today we're going to be reviewing this new Hot Wheels car which I have out here. He looks amazing. You can see how he shines on the camera. See that silver, see that metallic. I don't want to tell it's silver but not that metallic. Silver metallic, you can tell nah, I'm not good. He looks amazing. Yeah, so check out my last review of Hot Wheels if you haven't watched. I'll link the review in the description below if you want to check that out, or the car suggestion pop-up with the top right hand corner. And before I start the review, I just wanted to tell you that please rate my skit how much out of 10, how much you like. I like 9 out of 10, and you guys got a voice. So let's start with the review first. And I wanted to tell you that this is a great car. And before that, I want to tell you Happy New Year, everyone. It's 1st of January. It's like 12 a.m. in the morning. It's 12:01 already. We're recording this video. So Happy New Year, everybody. Have a great day with your family. So now let's do but before that, I want to tell you that you may be asking, where's the package? I got it like few hours ago and I unboxed it. I was thinking I forgot something. And then I thought, oh yeah, I had to make a video on it. So I thought I would do a video on the packaging too. But never mind, I had it unboxed. So we're going to be reviewing it unboxed. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the review. So taking a closer look at the front, you can see he has his 2 headlights. The blue paint looks amazing. It literally looks like it's some metallic on it. But I rate this 10 out of 10. Duh. And you can see that silver part down there, which he looks amazing. Like in Cars Life, it would be a mouth right there and the grill right there. But over here, this is like a silver part for the engine. And on the hood, I want to tell you that why the hood doesn't open, because this part is come out like the engine literally. I want to tell you that this car literally looks like Snot Rod and DJ. Like at the front Snot Rod and at the back DJ. Duh. Looks like DJ, and I want to rate that this car looks amazing, stunning. You can see that if they didn't put this this tire holder, they would put a doors and it would literally a bit look like DJ, but I don't want it looks like DJ. We're gonna like Snot Rod. Yeah. And yeah, so let's start where we are. You can see this gap which was given because of the engine to come out, because they don't like putting the engine in, because most of the metal cars have been like that only, literally. And taking a look at the side, you can see he has black rims with the black tires. You can see the white trim around the rims. You can see that. Sorry for the camera, it's shaking a lot. Just a minute. Yeah, there we go. And this side work looks spectacular, I should say. It looks amazing. You can see the water right there. You can see a boy surfing. He looks amazing. Like you can see the water, which is dark blue, light blue, and dark blue, which is amazing. And you can see the boy surfing with the surfboard. It looks like this is like a sports car. You can see HW Sports. You can see the HW Sports logo right there, and the Hot Wheels logo right there. Oh, just a minute, guys. I'll make it focus. Oops, sorry. I don't know the. Oh, just a minute. Sorry. And you can see the. Oh, why is it not focusing today? What happened? Just a minute. Oh. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. It's focusing now. So you can see the HW Sports right there. That's a good texturing right there. The Hot Wheels logo looks amazing. You can see the boy surfing right there. And you can see the water too, and you can see the exhaust pipes. There are 2 of these exhaust pipes, like I said. Yeah, there's another one right there, and there's another one right there. I have a counterpart which I want to compare to it. Is a Disney Pixar Cars character, but we're going to be not from these 6, my bad. There's another one which is like we're going to be comparing to this one too, right? I have here. There's Dan Cars here too, and which is a Disney Pixar Cars character, which is a surprise, which I reviewed in my 12 Days of Christmas. And yeah, let's focus on the review now once again. And you can see that the windows are orange completely. You can see it's orange, transparent. You can see anything inside from the roof if you're flying upwards, or anything like from the sunroof and whatnot. I think so. This thing opens. I think so because that's why it's transparent. But I don't know why they put surfing board right there up there. You can see it's completely yellow. I mean orange, my bad. You can see the back only is blue and rest of the front, and you can see that the seats are obviously silver. Inside I think so, yeah, the silver, because you can see they always make the seats silver in each and every Hot Wheels. There might be black or silver that made that. Inside they might do all those like steering wheel, clutch, gear, brakes, accelerator, AC, accessories more, and seats and whatnot, AC too. And yeah. And taking a look at the roof, you can see that he has HW, I mean not HW, it's Hot Wheels and surfing written, yeah, surfing, and there's a dark blue stripe, white, light blue, and another blue stripe, which he looks amazing. And there's the side which is the same, he looks amazing. Wow, Hot Wheels review is like 6 minutes and 14 seconds, and you can see that he looks amazing. Yeah, HW Sports right there, and we're going to be comparing to some Hot Wheels counterparts too. Yeah, and the roof, like I showed, like I said, and at the back you can see the trunk, which is not a trunk. You can see that there's a tire holder where you can keep extra tires whenever you're going for any trips and whatnot. And I recommend putting the tires for just in case. You can see the two lights right there. You can see the tire holder. This piece right here is a separate piece from the body and the base. The front one too is also a separate piece, I think so. Yeah, it is a separate piece. Yeah, and yeah, and at the back, like I said, and you can see the door which you can open it if you remove this tire holder, but I don't think so. And the two headlights, and there is the base. You can see surf and turf. You can see the DT X16 is the, I think so, then I don't know what's that. You can see L23 is I think that's a date step. L23 is made in the 2017 if I'm not mistaken, or 2018 I think so, in 2016 in Hot Wheels language. But in Disney Pixar cars, I don't have any Thailand cars. I have China and Vietnam. And you can see made in Malaysia, 2016 Mattel 1186 MJ, 1, and L. And you can see the other parts of the engine right there. You can see the wheels which roll properly, not that bad either, but on the grass it rolls so really. But I'll just put some base if you want. Let's use this one. It rolls good, not that bad either. And yeah, like I said, here's the whole car. I'll just showcase you guys if you want to check that out. Oh, just a minute. I don't know what's happening to my camera today. It's not working properly. Oh, my tripod. I don't have my tripod, regular tripod, but this is just another broken one. I had two. This one I just dropped it yesterday and it broke because I was recording another video of Mario Clutch one. Recently I deleted that video because that video wasn't proper. So yeah, and I'll just showcase you guys now the whole card if you want to see, like I reviewed it today. New Year special. I wish this year goes good for me, collecting couple more cars and recording them. And yeah, now we're gonna be comparing it to this counterpart which I have out here. So we're going to be showcasing. You can see that this car I got it is because you can see that he has the dark blue stripe, which is completely dark blue and light blue couple shots. You can see there couple paint where you can use, which is over there. Roof nothing. The spoiler, yes indeed, back half dark blue, half light blue, but literally it's more light because there's more dark, so they wanted to make even light one more too. And let's compare it to the fronts are different, the hoods are completely different. It's all like light blue and dark blue. It's only like light over here. It's completely light and black, both mixed in the covers. Roofs are to be the different, damn different. And at the side you can see it's couple different, only if they didn't put this yellow one. These two matches on it, yeah. And at the back also it is the same, but except the dark one, but never mind that now. And that's the base. It's different, made in China Mattel, made in Malaysia Mattel. No, it's written Disney Pixar cars, but it's made by Hot Wheels. It's Hot Wheels, my bad. Oh, sorry, McQueen. I crashed you. My bad. So now let's take the corner part, which is Hot Wheels first. We're going to be comparing to this Hot Wheels, which is also dark blue, which looks amazing. I reviewed this one in my 12 Days of Christmas videos. You can check out. I'll put the playlist link in the description below and the car suggestion if you want to check that out. So that would be amazing if you want to check that video out too. Yeah, here's the corner part, and this one too after we compare to this one first. So let's start. And yeah, they look amazing. This one I reviewed it in my 12 Days of Christmas. You can check out that video. The playlist will be in the description below. And this video will be in the car suggestion pop up at the top right hand corner like I said. This one is a future review. I'm going to be reviewing him as a surprise. You can see my about section. I'm going to be doing a Hot Wheels haul. I wanted to do this car as a New Year special. So yeah, we're comparing them at the last. First let's compare to this one. You can see that the fronts are different. I bought him because he had a dark blue and even he had two. Light blue, only the stripes though. Just like Dan Garcia, literally. My bad. But we're going to be comparing them, not even we're comparing, not showcasing them. But in my Hot Wheels haul, first we're going to be reviewing them, and then I told the plan. Nothing. Yeah, okay, I'll tell it off. We're going to be reviewing them. Then I got 3 cars, which I'm going to be unboxing them in that video too. There's the bases, which are the same. This is also made. Just a minute, I'll make it focus. It's electro. I can't read that because it's blurry. Made in Malaysia. I don't know what's that. It's made by Mattel. Hot Wheels 2020, I think so. Yeah, 2020. 1186 MJ1NL, because it's the same on this. And this one is focusable more than this one because that's textured. So now let's compare to this one. And the corner part which I'm going to be comparing after this one. Let's compare it side by side. This is also an Hot Wheels review, and it will be appearing with the review when I review it though. There is the base. You can see Hot Wheels. I know this is a Ranger Raptor. Ford Ranger Raptor FIB. I don't know what's that. I'll leave that. You can see made in Malaysia. I don't want to tell in depth of it. 1186 NJ1NL and all this stuff. Here is the corner part. This was the corner part which I wanted to compare it to. He's Flick from Disney Pixar Cars, who appeared at the last of the movie, where he has a dark light blue too, and even the dark blue only on the windows, and here that much equally too. Yeah, I reviewed him in my 12 Days of Christmas. The playlist will also be in the description, and like I said, not the car suggestion, because car suggestion is full now with Hot Wheels. Duh. See that? The bag's the same, size is also the same, and yeah, let's compare it to. And yeah, so that will be for the video. So let's get some of the comparisons right there. You can see that. And then let's get some of the compare which we compared it to, like I said. So that will be for the video. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment down below. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking there. Watch another video by clicking there. That's all for today's vlogs. I'll see you in another one. Disney Steve signing out.